Good morning everyone, it's Monday the 3rd of November. I just want to say for everyone that I need to do an update, a kind of a rehashing of a video. We're here at Manchester Magistrates Court, which for the international audience, a magistrate is a magician who sits in a special outfit that is kind of like a judge, and you don't get a jury, you just get a magus, the magic magus that tells you whether you've been a bad boy. But anyway, in 2 days time, on Remember the 5th of November, on Bonfire Night, Guy Fawkes and burning all the queens and kings and parliamentarians, I'm going to be here, and it's not the trial as I thought it was. It's actually just a plea date. So it's going to take 5 minutes. I go in, I stand up to show that I submit to the authority of the Queen, the Crown, the bloody whatever, yeah? And then they say, so, Mr. Veitch, how do you plead? Guilty or not guilty? And I'll say, not guilty. And then they say, okay, let's adjourn for 3 months or adjourn for forever. So please don't come along. I just want to warn you, I'm not going to stick around. I've got young kids in the house. I've got to go and do family stuff and do video stuff. So it's not going to be like a big trial. There might not even be any BNP fascists for us to look at. But anyway, the reason why I have a mustache, not just to support the Kurdish faction that is kicking shit out of the Islamic State, it's because I lost my beard. I don't know if you can see. I've had a massive operation where they literally took a pound of flesh, and it was a religious experience, which I'll talk about in a sec. But I just wanted to come outside the court and say that, yeah, oh yeah, another thing as well, like if it does actually go to a trial, and in the kind of off chance I do actually get convicted of this crime, which is the intent of causing alarm, harassment or distress to an individual, I guess it's a win-win situation for me. We need to be ready for any outcome. That if I get this conviction, it shows that myself with my camera filming as professionally as I can to do an entertaining video that's been seen by 50,000 people. All you need is a camera to actually have an effect. When you're getting convicted by fascists, it means that you're doing something right. But let's keep our fingers crossed that the magic magistrate will see sense. There's plenty of case law. There's Article 10 of the European Convention of Human Rights that says it's your legal duty to confront immorality. And sometimes that comes out the way it comes out. Anyway, love you all. 5th of November, don't bother turning up. It's not a trial. It's just a plea. And I plead not guilty.